Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, experts have stated that based on the evidence in the possession of law enforcement and the prosecutors, there's no way Mr. Maitland can receive any type of bail. Now, they are also stating that based on the evidence, justice must be served for Donna Lee Donaldson and her family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and, of course, a comment in the comment section. Now, P0lice has stated that the state has blocked his entry into the UK and that officers loyal to Mr. Maitland has targeted him recently. May I make you hear what I will continue the reason. Look,
them tomorrow morning, man. Yes, son. Because I got one police boy we talk about him and B0yfriend. I make record take my car one day. I'm going to fix him business tomorrow. Yes, son. I go to the cemetery tomorrow, Ghana.
Fix him, my brother.
Alright, my friend from Ghana. Big up for yourself. See people. See the era code of Ghana that I call my people. Nobody from Ghana that know Andrew Wallace people. And Prince Charles that know Andrew, King Charles that know Andrew Wallace people. See that people that buy me big friend, see that. And me and Prince Charles that in our earlier days people. The young emperor that before me put on my locks. Yes, and featuring Barbara Gludan people. That day in history. Which country this a call me now? Well, I know who this a call me. Local, this are international. Well, I there. I don't really cry people. I just throw my lock up in the hot carrier people, so I kind of sweat, you understand? And then I kind of have a little fresh cold, so you understand? So I feel away people, you know, you just get to me, I'm saying I can do a show about it. So right now people may get ready for sue Andrew Wallace as him come, a matter of fact, if him come back from England, because nobody wants to see back Andrew Wallace down here people. People. I just accidentally strolled past Andrew Wallace's social media page this morning when him put up on him social media saying I got England. And everybody there on Andrew Wallace, we don't want you back here. Go bury yourself for the Queen. Nobody want to see Andrew Wallace back at Jamaica people. Pay a sufferation the brother left for you now. I get ready for go fix what Jamaica now people. Fix what the economy. Fix back people business with Andrew Wallace mash up people. People, make a sue Andrew Wallace, make a sue Oriel Strong people. No. Oh, you have to ban me from God England and put the emperor people. Who the people can fly tourists are white me wear every day people. So people, that's why I tell you I said evil, me just want to find out who write that letter there and send to the embassy them and send to the airport, send to everybody. People, them people that follow me up, you know, on the seat. What do you know? Them stress me out. Now they want to stress me out again. People don't tell me everything that is right. And then, at the end of the day, anyway, I got my people them, so if I fly out tomorrow, people, I don't know what it is. I should have gone, I should have left Jamaica people from Wednesday gone. But guess what now? Andrew Wallace people and him look a thief in friend them run Ghana England for say them gonna look perks, them gonna look big up, them gonna look limelight. People, nobody no busy with Andrew Wallace. If I want me, nobody not take a picture of Andrew Wallace. Any picture Andrew Wallace get to the England people, and it's a selfie or a Babsy Granger or a selfie use fear one of phone and say Andrew pose. Or you might go pay somebody the trim now want to look away and him see my picture. People, Charles don't want to see Andrew Wallace, him never want to see. People, the last time Prince Charles come to Jamaica, P0lice him come check. The picture of them is there to prove it. Well, if you don't see it. Let me see. Because I don't know which door Andrew fly come in, people. Run Ghana, England, people at my space. Andrew say, I'm going to take England, people. This is not a joke thing, people. Nobody want to see Andrew in England, people. See there? Andrew, Ghana, England, people. Black flight for Ghana, England, for the emperor. And I know nobody knows Andrew Wallace. BBC, me hear nobody. And me, Yolanda them call this morning. And me, Cat Radio them call. And never Andrew Wallace, and me, Cat Radio them call. England, I can be them call. But in England, I meet them call. Even Jay-Z people, the rapper. And me, Jay-Z call. And Andrew Wellness. People. Let me see if I find some picture. Because I don't want to believe a joke. People, when me and the Royals have a par, Andrew Wellness still does Spanish on the push and cat before Juliet Wellness find him. And me help Andrew Wellness win the election, people. And Andrew Wellness and grateful people. And grateful more than Andrew Wellness I can't find people. See the people. Oh, sorry. I mean Lennox Lewis that. Before him beat Mike Tyson. Yeah, son. See how Babsy Granger before she get ungrateful. Them time yeah, when me and Babsy Granger part, see the minister of Russia and the French ambassador. See me and the middle between the Russian ambassador and the French ambassador there. I see Babsy Granger on the right, the people. See that? That's how before my lax brutal people. See there? And Babsy Granger come get ungrateful now, people. You see how long me and Babsy Granger par, them time the Andrew Wall still that Spanish on people push and cat. See that people, this is me and Charles that the earlier days, see that people when me the braid up. Featuring also Barbara glued on there, and they made a cut and paste picture people, see that? Them time down Prince Charles, there with my good friend named Susan Fang. Yeah, son? Andrew Wall is not there now in the politics, them kind of people. And me and Siago, them a part of them kind of people. Me and Barbara Gludan, them kind of Babsy Grange. They on the sideline with Siago and Mitzi was a killer, so she a thief her man. So that's what me tell Juliet. Said Juliet, watch Babsy Grange. Babsy Grange love thief people, man. See that? Them kind of people, and when me and Siago a part of the people. See me and Prince Charles that. And Barbara Gludan up on the flank. See there, when you see Barbara Gludan, up on the flank. Barbara Gludan never know Andrew Wellness. Miss Lou Covalin know Andrew Wellness. And people, Andrew Wellness ban him and the area strong people. Listen me, people. Me never they go do no show about it, just a hold it people. But the time I get closer people, and I'll make try people, I'll make try. Me have a look at shipping people, but the ship will take too long for reach England people. You understand? 3 to 4 day time people, because one of them look at fast speed boat the people. People, the man them put the M people to see why I forgot have more than plane the people. Them liberty would they take the big empire, so I may have to take over the country people. People, this morning, when me prep over Andrew Wall's page, people, me there people, me not tell you, and me vex through me gone at the Queen funeral people. But after see, how much years me fly people, me a submarine, me do everything, I leave the island and upon the island. And at an important time like this, people, you know, some say me just take out England people from reach airport people. Nobody now remember about people, Prince Charles people. Andrew Wallace, him and Babsy Grange said them want God that. I don't know no Babsy Grange just love run down funeral, anywhere funeral the Babsy Grange God, you know. That's why when I tell you say, my boy don't have more there, him not dead. And Babsy Grange don't want to go for him funeral too. And
No, there's no going around it. Obviously, Elias state that based on WMC, the fact that him travel frequently, England is a place where, you know, him say him travel to often. The fact that no, the man deny him entry to the UK. And he says this is based on recommendations from the state. The man also point out that recently, him try to take away him car. And they must say these officers were loyal to Mr. Maitland. But answer this. Do you think people in England were more looking to see L.A. Lewis, even locally, looking to see L.A. Lewis at the Queen's funeral as opposed to seeing heads of state of the local Jamaican government? Talk to me. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, of course. This is how you will be notified of all fresh content. Click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon. Share the video. Tell a friend, check it out. Like and share. You know there's something go. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.